Today we're working on a 2017 Porsche Cayenne. We are about to install Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to the factory screen here. We'll show you how everything comes out in a little bit. Okay, so we're all set. We did the wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto in this car, and we're all done with it. This is how it came out, as you can see. It works wireless, so you don't need to connect anything. This is a 2017 Porsche Cayenne, and yeah, everything's touchscreen on this one. It's touchscreen. We don't need to use the iDrive. And there it is, wireless CarPlay. For this vehicle, we used the ADD-0N product. It's the product that we use for most of our integration for Porsche, Audi, BMW is what we use. Mercedes-Benz. It works great. There it is. And as you can see, here's how the Android Auto works too as well. So we have it wireless Android Auto working too as well. So you can see, again, everything's on the touchscreen here. All right, we'll see you next time on another video.